Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in collaboration and context-centered training. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm the Cisco and Genesys Cloud API Self-Study Kit. We're going to focus on resources. Our objective is to understand or discuss the developer tools, explore some of the most common tools that are available to us, experiment with API Explorer, which is the tools that are available under developer tools, and explain how Genesys Cloud CX support works with the SDK, or often known as Software Development Kit. Now, Genesys Developer Tools, which is accessible by going to developer.genesyscloud.com, provides sets of developer tools that are required for testing and fine-tuning your requests to access Genesys Cloud APIs. Now, in order for you to access these developer tools or use some of these tools, you do not have to be a programmer. A programmer, in order to test your API endpoints using the developer tools. A simple user interface provided by the developer tools, you can communicate with API endpoints. Now, with some of the tools, you can generate code to share with other developers. The generated code can help developers create a program for retrieving or changing data in your Genesys Cloud CX organizations. Now, when you visit the site, the developer tools will authenticate with your Genesys Cloud CX organization by default. Thus, it enables you to perform any API operation through the web interface. By clicking on the profile icon on the left pane, you can view the current user details in a JSON format from any of the developer tools. Now, what are some of the tools that are available to us? Well, some of the most common tools that are available to us are, for example, are known as the API Explorer, which allows you to initiate an API request with most of the endpoints. Archie, which is basically a CLI-based tool that allows Genesys Cloud Architecture to import a YAML file in order to create an architect flow. Notifications allows you to create notifications using notification API endpoints. You also have web messaging, which basically lets you create a chat interaction for your Genesys Cloud organizations. Search Query Builder. Now, Search Query Builder allows you to perform through searches in your organization, regardless of the division, queues, or the group. Last but not the least, the tools that you have most commonly